In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share custom maps using Google My Maps. First, open Google My Maps and sign in to your Google account. Then open the custom map you want to share. Next, click the Share button located near the top of the map. A sharing window will appear where you can control who has access to your map. You can enter specific email addresses to share the map with individual people, or change the access settings to allow anyone with the link to view the map. Choose the permission level that best fits your needs, such as viewer or editor. After selecting your sharing preferences, click Copy Link if you want to send the map through email, messaging apps, or social media. Anyone with the appropriate permissions can then open and view your custom map. Before sending the link, double-check the sharing settings to make sure the right people have access. And that's it! You now know how to share custom maps using Google My Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.